The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the session. And we will wait for 2 more minutes so all can join. Till that time, can you please confirm if my voice is audible to you and if my screen is visible to you? हम लोग और 2-3 मिनट वेट करेंगे वेबिनार स्टार्ट करने तक और तब तक आप मुझे चैट बॉक्स में या फिर क्वेश्चन बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं कि आपको मेरी आवाज ठीक से आ रही है और मेरी स्क्रीन भी आपको विजिबल है कि नहीं। Okay, so I think my voice is audible to you all. So let's talk about today's topic first. It's going to be a very interesting topic because आज मैं कुछ आपको टेक्निकल एनालिसिस नहीं सिखाने वाली हूँ, बल्कि अगर आपको टेक्निकल एनालिसिस करके भी जो ऑप्शन स्ट्रैटेजीज बनते हैं उसमें अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम आती है कि आप स्ट्रैटेजीज नहीं बना पाते हो, उसके वजह से इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू पार्टिसिपेट इनटू द मार्केट प्रॉपरली, then it's going to be a great event or great feature for you. All right, so the topic of today's webinar is simplifying options, get best strategies for your market prediction. Okay, we'll go forward and we will talk about the topic in detail. Before that, I'll read the standard disclaimer for you all. The content and explanation shared in this webinar are only for information and educational purpose. Stock market trading investments are subject to market risk. Please consult your financial advisor before making financial decisions. All right, so now we are set. So अभी तक आपको एक आइडिया लग गया होगा कि ये सेशन किस बारे में है या फिर इसमें आपको क्या what takeaway you are going to get from this particular session. If not, let me ask you some questions. Okay, are you expert in technical analysis part but get confused when it comes to forming option strategies? मतलब कि आप कोई टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, इट कैन बी चार्ट एनालिसिस और इट कैन बी रीडिंग द OI data, it can be anything, you are able to do it properly, but when it comes to the making or forming proper option strategies, then you get confused. All right, do you face this, or do you think creating option strategies is complex and end up taking plain vanilla trades? So many people or so many times this happens that making a proper option strategy is a little bit complex, और कौन सी ऑप्शन स्ट्रैटेजी किस टाइम में अप्रोप्रिएट हो सकती है ये डिसाइड करना भी कभी कभी बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, करेक्ट? इसकी वजह से बहुत सारे लोग फिर ऑप्शन स्ट्रैटेजी छोड़ के प्लेन वेनिला ट्रेड्स में एंटर करते हैं और ट्रेडिंग प्लेन वेनिला ट्रेड्स, बीट ऑप्शन बाइंग और बीट ऑप्शन सेलिंग, it is a bit risky, right? If we compare to the hedging or the strategies. So we have to find a way how do we make it easy to trade with the option strategies, right? Or your market views are always correct but option strike selection is weak. इसका क्या मतलब है कि आपको ये आइडिया लग जाता है कि मार्केट कब बुलिश है और कभी व्हेन द मार्केट इज गोइंग टू बी बेरिश और इट इज गोइंग टू बी वॉलेटाइल, या फिर एक रेंज में फंसा रहेगा, राइट? ये आइडिया आपको आता है, या फिर फॉर एग्जांपल आज निफ्टी का एक्सपायरी था, सो लेट्स से दैट यू हैड अ व्यू of bearishness, you knew that Nifty is going to expire below 22,100. All right, but you did not know which strike to select for the trade, correct? So if all of these things you face in your trading, this particular session is going to be a game changer for you. All right, so let's go forward. So if you can see on the screen, आपको क्या लगता है कि ऐसे इस टाइप का अगर कुछ आपको मैकेनिज्म मिल जाए जिसमें आप आपका प्रेडिक्शन डाल रहे हो, प्रेडिक्शन डाल रहे हो, प्रेडिक्शन डाल रहे हो और दूसरे साइड से आपको ऑप्शन स्ट्रैटेजी मिल रही है, राइट? सो दिस इज अ टाइप ऑफ अ प्रोसेसर. So you are only giving a raw input and it's going to give you some very refined output in terms of a strategy, correct? So आपको क्या लगता है? This is interesting. Let's find out how. So the name of these two features are predict view and predict level. So these are similar features, but you know the specifications are a bit different. All right. So one is predict view and one is predict level. So what happens in the predict view? In the predict view, you only have to select what is your view. So for example, if you have bullish view on the market or on some particular entity, let's say Nifty or Bank Nifty or any stock, all right? So if you have a particular view, you can select that particular button, and based on that, you will get customized option strategies. Okay, these option strategies will give you, you know, various expiries. So let's say आज जो expiry था उसके आपको कुछ strategies मिलेंगे, अगले week के expiry के भी आपको strategies मिलेंगे. So it, you know, you have to choose which particular expiry, which particular strategy is going to suit you based on your particular view. कि आपका व्यू आज के एक्सपायरी के लिए सीमित था या फिर अगले एक्सपायरी के लिए आपका व्यू एक्सटेंडेड है. So based on that you can select. So in this particular whatever options you are going to get in terms of the option strategies, you will see that, you know, the options that you're going to get are different from one another. All right, so you have to check your own risk appetite. All right, so you can check what is the maximum profit, what is the maximum loss that you know each strategy is offering you, so that you can examine. You can also analyze each strategy based on the payoff analyzer. All right, you will get the payoff graph. All right, and based on that you can check if, you know, at some particular level, if that entity expires, what will be your profit or loss. This even gives you the you know, profit or loss summary, in which you will get a break even point, you will get, you know, max loss, max profit of that particular strategy. You will also get you know, what are you know, approximate margin which will be required to take that trade. And once you select that particular strategy, it will be very easy for you to execute, because you will be able to execute this with a single click. Okay, you don't have to, if that particular strategy has 2 legs or 4 legs, all right, you don't have to go and execute those particular trades separate. You will have to, you know, you will get just single click and whole of your strategy will be executed. So this is predict view. Similarly, predict level is also there. So now this is one step forward. So in predict view you only had a view कि भाई market bullish होगा या bearish होगा या कुछ भी, जो भी direction आपने आपके analysis पे decide किया. But predict level में क्या है? Predict level में आप एक कोई level decide कर रहे हो कि the expiry can be above this level or expiry can be below this level. Okay, or the market is going to stay in this particular range. So you can actually select those levels, and based on that you will get the trades. All right, and based on whatever options you are going to get, you can select the strategy which suits you, and you know, which suits your particular risk appetite. You can select that particular strategy, you can analyze it. All right, and you can execute in a single click. So these features are available in HDFC Sky app. All right, so before going forward and looking at the path, and you know, looking how this feature looks and how we operate this particular feature, before that we'll just go through what all advantages we get by using all these features. All right, so first and most important advantage of using predict level, predict view is that it makes the option trading very simple, especially for the beginners. जो you know, seasoned traders are, probably for them creating the option strategies, executing it is very easy. But when the beginners are there, who try to you know, execute the option strategies, who try to create the option strategies with their own analysis, it is a bit complicated. It is not difficult, but it is complicated because there are various strikes involved. Correct, it is not plain. The second one is these features give you customized strategies. So based on your own prediction or your own input, it is going to give you the customized strategies. Third is that it will give you multiple options. So it is not like if you give a bullish view or if you give a particular level, you are not going to get a single strategy from it. all right? You will still have options of various kind of, profit loss combinations. You will still have combinations of various other expiries, all right? So you will get multiple options. Then, as I told you, it will give you the trades for the multiple expiries as well. Then it will give you the payoff of the strategy. So it's not that you have to trust it blindly. You can go and select that particular strategy and you can check the payoff graph of that particular strategy as well. जो भी आपकी strategy आपको select करनी है, या फिर if you are considering that particular strategy, you can go and check what all outcomes are possible from that particular strategy. All right, there are some advanced analysis options available in which you can go and check the Greeks. You can change the IVs and see the variations of it. So you will get all kind of analysis into it, and you will get all the answers of what can happen to that particular strategy in all of the conditions. All right, next it is uh, 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 it is going to save a lot of time for you. Why? Because once you get so many strategies handy, what you have to do is that you only have to go and check what or which strategy suits you best. All right, you don't have to go on some software and keep putting in different strikes and check what is the combination of profit and loss, what risk reward you're getting. You don't really have to uh, keep doing that for various kinds of the strategies. Just a second. Yeah, so with all these options, ultimately you will be able to analyze everything very efficiently, and based on that your trading decisions are going to be very much filtered, and your accuracy can be better. So let's go forward, and I will share where do you find the predict view and predict level features. So once you log into HDFC Sky app, you have to click on the hamburger menu, which is on your left hand side, top left hand side. All right, then you have to scroll down, and there you will get option trading platform. Under option trading platform, you can find select the predict view and predict level. So it is very easy to find. All right, so this is how this page looks like. You will get the predict view and predict level features over here. All right, so let's go forward. So let's take an example how the predict view works. Okay, first we will look at the predict view, and then we will go towards predict level. So so this is the page where I'm finding the predict view feature. All right, it is here, if you can see. Now my current view is bullish. Okay, so I have selected bullish and I clicked on get trades. All right, so now this particular screen I'm going to see, right? So here in the plain, it will also give me the plain vanilla option variations, what or which strike I can select or which strike is the best. All right, there is this bull call spread, there is this bull put spread. All right, if you select the range bound or if you select the volatile options, you will still get um, iron condors, you will get the butterfly strategies, you will get strangles, you will get straddles. All kind of option strategies are available under this, but this will show you the best ones. Okay, so for this I have selected bullish, and I have got three kind of strategies, so I'm going with bull call spread. So now after clicking on bull call spread, I'm getting this particular screen. Okay, so on the second particular screenshot, if you can see, there is this number, right? So long call 1 strategy, bull call spread 6 strategies, bull put spread 7 strategies. So these many strategies for each kind of strategy you're going to get. All right, so these are the variations of different strikes. If you can see over here, these are the kind of variations you're going to get. In the first trade, look at the max profit and max loss. The max profit is 995, the maximum loss is 1505, right? In the next one, the max profit is 2525 and the max loss is 2475. In the last one or in the third one, the max loss, max profit is 4300, the max loss is 3200, right? So it is based on your risk appetite. All right, it is just playing with different um, strikes, but you have to select what suits you. All right, so I am here, and let's take an example that I have a medium kind of a risk appetite. So I'm going to select this particular bull call spread strategy in which my max profit is 2525 and my max loss is 2475. So it is equal, right? Almost equal. So once I select this particular strategy, I'm going to find which all strikes are available in this particular strategy, at what price it is suggesting, right? And I'm going to get a analyze button over here. All right. So once I click on analyze, one second. Yeah. So once I click on analyze, I'm going to find out a lot of other options with, जिसके help से I can analyze this particular strategy. But if I don't want to analyze, मान लो कि मुझे analyze करना भी नहीं है, क्योंकि हो सकता है कि कोई लोग को ग्रीक्स समझ में आते हैं, नहीं समझ में आते हैं, या फिर if someone doesn't want to spend time into going into too much technicalities, they can directly place the trade over here. Okay, there is this analyze button and below that there is this place trade. So it is going to give you the formation with the one lot only. But if you wish to maximize your lot size, you can change it from here. All right, so आपको अगर lot size आपका बढ़ाना है तो आप यहाँ से change कर सकते हैं. ऑलराइट, एंड डायरेक्टली आप प्लेस ट्रेड करोगे तो ये बास्केट ट्रेड आपका प्लेस हो जाएगा और आपकी स्ट्रेटेजी लाइव हो जाएगी, राइट? बट लेट्स से कि हम लोग ने एनालाइज पे सिलेक्ट किया है, सो लेट्स से दैट आई वांट टू एनालाइज दिस पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रेटेजी, आई वांट टू सी व्हाट ऑल आउटकम्स आर पॉसिबल फ्रॉम इट. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज द पे ऑफ ग्राफ. आपको ये टेबल के फॉर्म में भी देखने को मिल सकता है. हियर इज दिस ट्रेड समरी, सो इट इज ओपन ओवर हियर. I can look at my margin which is required, my probability of profit, मेरा max profit max loss क्या होगा, मेरा break even point क्या होगा, मेरा net premium क्या use हो रहा है, right? All of that I'm going to get. अगर ये advanced analysis का आप option use करते हैं, in that you can even change the date, even change the where your underlying is going to get expired, that particular number you are going to change, and you can check out the outcomes in various kinds of different situations. So this is the kind of analysis you will be able to do with analyze button. But if you don't want to do this, you can directly place your trade over here. Otherwise you can do the analysis and come back and place the trade, as simple as that. All right, now let's take an example of the predict level. So everything is same in the predict level, yeah, but only difference in this is we are going to select the predict level over here. I have this is a bit different from predict view, is because predict view में हम लोग एक plain view दे रहे थे कि bullish है bearish है, तो ये below above it is similar to that, but ये between वाला option है ना, ये थोड़ा सा different है, which is why I have given this particular screenshot कि ये आपको तब भी ट्रेड्स देगा जब आपके पास एक रेंज है. ठीक है, बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि मार्केट एक पर्टिकुलर रेंज में फंस जाता है और आपको एक पर्टिकुलर नंबर नहीं मिलता है कि भाई इस नंबर के आसपास निफ्टी है या बैंक निफ्टी है वो एक्सपायर होगा. हो सकता है कि वो 100 150 या 200 पॉइंट्स के बीच में कहीं पे एक्सपायर होगा, बट यू आर नॉट श्योर एग्जैक्टली वेयर, राइट? सो आप वो एक रेंज इसमें डाल सकते हो और बेस्ड ऑन दैट इट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू various kinds of option strategies. ठीक है, so this also it is available over here. Now in this I'm giving you an example of below option. ठीक है, so मेरा prediction ये for example है कि 22,200 के नीचे निफ्टी एक्सपायर होगा. ठीक है, So based on that, I have given this target figure over here, and I have chosen below, and I clicked on get trades. All right. So after that, I'm going to get all these trades. Let's say I selected one of these, and I'm going to get the same screen which I showed you in the predict view feature. So जैसे ही आप कोई भी strategy select करोगे, उसके अंदर आपको उसके स्पेसिफिकेशन पता चलेंगे कि कौन से स्ट्राइक्स उसमें है, या फिर आपका जो एनालिसिस है वो आप कर पाओगे, और यू कैन सिंपली execute your trades through the basket orders. So this was about the predict view and predict level feature. So these two features are very very good for especially the traders who trade in the just a second. Yeah. So I have showed you the path where you are going to find these two features. आप ये features आपको app में कहाँ मिल सकते हैं, ये मैंने आपको बताया है. So you can practice this in the live market. All right. So based on that, you will be able to judge how well it works. Correct. But if you have any questions right now about these features, you can ask right now, and I will answer it. Okay, so there's one question that how to activate the option trading. So, sir, if you have not activated your derivative segment, so basically you do your options trading under the derivative segment. So you have to go into your profile settings, and you have to select the segment, and it will ask you to upload one of the document. It can be your salary slip, or it can be your ITR, or it can be your 6 months of bank statement, and after that it will be activated. So you just have to go into your profile settings to activate your derivative segment. So there is a question that the path needs to be shared again. So one second. So you can once you log in into the HDFC Sky app, you can go on the on your left hand side, टॉप का जो आपका हैमबर्गर मेन्यू है उसमें आप क्लिक करो, और उसके बाद you have to go down. There will be option trading platform feature, and under that you will get the predict view and predict feature, predict level. So it is not very far. It is easy to access. It is not a paid software. If you are using HDFC Sky, it is available to you. So it is not a paid software. You can use it. HDFC Sky is available on the app and on the web version as well. So you can trade anywhere. Okay, there's a question, what are the charges for trading? So it is 20 rupees per order. So yeah. Okay, so I'm getting a question that is this going to be a recorded session? So let me tell you that we have covered a lot of other topics in this series of webinars based on the technical analysis, based on various features of HDFC Sky and Invest Right app. So you can go on YouTube channel of HDFC Securities and you will find a particular playlist which is named as understanding derivatives. So under that you will be able to find all the previous recordings of all the webinars. The today's webinar is also going to be uploaded over there, so you will be able to find the recording, so you can access it over there, the HDFC Securities YouTube channel. There's a question that okay, so I think it is a service request. Mr. Sadula Raju, if your derivative activation is taking time, so it should not actually take time of T plus 1 day. So if you are facing this issue, you can connect to the customer care, all right, and they will be able to assist you about what is the issue on the activation part, and you can get it sorted. Otherwise, you can mail it to the customer care service, and tell your trading ID and tell your issue. All right, you can reach on the call as well, and it will be sorted. सर हैमबर्गर मेन्यू मतलब जो आप जब आप लॉग इन करते हो ऐप में, उसके बाद आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ऊपर जो 3 लाइंस दिखेंगे उस पे आप क्लिक करेंगे, तो आपको मतलब आप वो मेन्यू में चले जाएंगे, तो वो आप साइन देखो 3 लाइंस वाला. So under that you will find option trading platform, and then there is predict view and predict level. So Mr. Dilip Desai has asked about the OI and price combination which happened today. So this is not really the session about open interest, but I would like to answer this, and then I will redirect you to the one of the recordings, because we have covered this particular topic in very much detail. So you will you will be able to read the data more efficiently. All right, so when the OI is also increasing and the price is also increasing, it means that there is a short covering. Okay, so short covering क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे ऑप्शन सेलर्स होते हैं, वो स्ट्राइक्स को सेल करके रखते हैं, बट कोई सडन मोमेंट आता है स्पेशली ऑन द एक्सपायरी डेज. तो एक्सपायरी डेज में मतलब it is going to be expiry, right? It is going to be last day for that particular कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. सो जो क्लोजिंग होती है या फिर जो कवरिंग होती है, जब भी कोई स्टॉप लॉस हिट होता है या फिर कोई सडन मूव आता है, वो बहुत फास्ट एक्सेलरेट होता जाता है, उसके वजह से शॉर्ट कवरिंग ट्रिगर होती है. ऑलराइट, सो whenever just remember that whenever the OI is also increasing and your price is also increasing, it means that it has given you a direction and it is going to go. If it is a so it's in the put or call, I would like to understand. Based on that, I will able to answer it well. But you should go and see the recording of open interest, and you will be able to understand it in a better manner. So I'm actually not able to understand the question properly about the OI. How to find recorded sessions? So you can go on a YouTube channel of HDFC Securities. There is a separate playlist of understanding derivatives. Under that, you will find all the recorded sessions under the series of these webinars, F&O Chronicles. Okay, so the question about the OI was about OI was also increasing and the price was also increasing of 22,300 put. ओके सो जब आपका ओआई भी बढ़ रहा है और आपका जो प्राइस है वो भी बढ़ता है, उसका मतलब है कि उसमें बिल्टअप इट इज गेटिंग द एक्स्ट्रा बिल्टअप. ऑलराइट, इट मींस दैट इट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू अ पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन. आज जैसे फॉल आया मार्केट में, उसके वजह से आपका जो पुट है उसमें आपका जो है शॉर्ट बिल्टअप बढ़ता गया. ऑलराइट, so which is why we got a very directional move, and this was the kind of OI built up which was seen. Okay, so I think there are no more questions. Next week, there will be a session on Fibonacci retracement. It is especially important when the market is at the highs, right? जैसे कि अभी है market काफी हाई लेवल पे है, बहुत सारे स्टॉक्स में ऑल टाइम हाईज हिट हो चुके हैं, और अगर इस लेवल पे एंट्री करनी है या फिर अभी लास्ट 2-3 डेज में जो भी जियोपॉलिटिकल टेंशन चल रहे हैं उसके वजह से देयर इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ सेल ऑफ इन द मार्केट. So is it the good opportunity to enter in the pull back, and is this the right time to go long, or there will be more sell off? So ये सारे जो doubts होते हैं, for that the Fibonacci retracement is a good indicator or good tool which can be used at the such kind of the levels of the market. All right, so okay. All right. This is going to be the topic for next week. So these webinars are on every Thursday. All right. So next week topic I have shared with you, and if you have any suggestions for the topics of the webinar, you can suggest us. All right. So this is all. Let me just check if I have missed any question. All right. I think there are no more questions. So so this is all from my side today. It was a very small session, but the features that I shared with you all are going to be very helpful. So I want you all to explore the predict view and predict level, and let us know your feedback of what you think about these features. Are they helpful? Right. So see you all next time on Thursday. All right, and the topic is going to be the Fibonacci retracement. Thank you all. Thank you for being a lovely audience.